brisket.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up a bacon baked tater dog at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some potatoes. Here we've got some mustard, you got some chopped onion, you got some chup, you got some bacon. Here we've got some hot dogs. You're going to need some butter, pickles, and some cheese. All right. Now let's put this together. First thing you want to do is you want to cook up the pork belly bacon, right? And if you've never put your pound bacon on a grill, smoke it up, you're missing something out of your life. All right. So what we're going to do here is slice up these dogs, right? And use your favorite dog, right? This here is more of a brat, right? If you know the difference. It's pre-cooked, like all hot dogs, and all you need to do is heat them up. So we're just going to cut these up into small, thin slices. And we're going to take our trusty drill-a-lator here and make some holes in potatoes. Oh, yeah, you got to have one of these around your kitchen, right? Just pop some holes. And I bet you have an idea what we're going to do next. Now, this here is a very popular recipe at wedding receptions. And if it's not on your menu at your wedding, well, tell her this is what you want, right? These are good. Yeah, forget those twice-baked potatoes or whatever they serve you, right? All right. So, made some holes, and we're going to stuff it with these dogs. Now, there's plenty of flavor in these dogs, so you can imagine this is really going to flavor them taters up real nice. Oh, yeah, man. Told you this is going to be easy to do. Now, if you've never had one of these bacon baked tater dogs before, you definitely got to check it out. This is some real good eating at the pit, as we always say, right? All right, bacon's coming along. Dogs are cooking. The drilled taters are going to go on, and we're going to start baking. Oh, yeah. Nothing like hanging around the pit, cooking up some good food. It's all about the good things in life now, right? Oh, look at that bacon. Whoa. All right. Some time has passed. And now we're going to heat up a little bit of butter. The bacon is done. Now cook the bacon the way you like it. You like it soft, you like it crispy. Go right ahead. It's all up to you, right? And we're employing some indirect heating over here so we can control our heat. And if you've been watching us over the years, you know all about indirect grilling. All right, like I said, bacon was done, so we're just gonna chop it up. And no, don't use your store-bought bacon bits or whatever. Use real bacon. Doesn't take long to do. All right. So we got the dogs in the butter bath. That's a classic way to serve up your hot dogs, right? In a butter bath. We'll turn those taters and bake them up. And we got a temperature of the grill somewhere about 350, maybe a little higher or lower, right? All right. The taters have been baked. Whoa. Take a look at that, right? Oh, there's some good eating right there. That's all you need, right? But no, you got to check this out. Now we'll add some sliced cheese. We got some cheddar going in. Use your favorite sliced cheese. You got to make it your own, right? That's all pitmaster privilege. Now we'll take one of those butter bath dogs, place it on. Oh. Stop there. That's good enough. Add some chopped onion. Now, you can set these up the way you want, of course. That's pitmaster privilege, but this is a good way to do it. Now, we're going to take some of that bacon, sprinkle it on. Throw in a pickle. And then we're going to take some of that butter, all right? It's got a little bit of that brat flavor, that dog flavor in there, and just spoon it on. Remember, this is your wedding. Do it the way you want. Oh, man. Place it back on the grill indirect so we can melt down the cheese and warm everything up again. And this is what you got. Whoa, take a look at that. Now, this is the part we're going to eat it in front of you, you know. Put on your favorite condiments. We got some mustard and chup. And what condiments you use is totally up to you. So here the pitmaster eats it in front of you, and he's not apologizing. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. And by the way, if the girlfriend doesn't want these at your wedding, then you just might need another girlfriend.